Okay, we want to look at this question, which is a word problem. So the question goes, a shop sells steel nails, so it's selling steel nails at 50 cents each and screws at 1 rand 25 each. They sell 300 items for 252 rands. So the question is, calculate the number of nails sold. Yes, so how are we going to calculate the number of nails sold? Maybe let's read the question again so we can get a bit of understanding. We're told a shop sells steel nails at 50 cents each and screws at 1 rand 25 each. They sell 300 items. So all in all, they sold 300. That is nails plus screws. And then we are told that both the nails and screws that were sold, they costed 252 rands. So now we are required to calculate the number of nails that were sold. So how are we going to go about it? We can formulate some equations here. But first, let's define some terms that we are going to use. If I say in our solution here, if I say let x be the number of nails sold, and let y be the number of screws sold. So I've defined my variables there. So from these variables that I've defined, you can see now that the total number of items sold, x plus y, should be equal to 300. So I've actually managed to formulate an equation there. Then also I can see I have the price of nails, and I've got the price of screws, and the total price is 252. So it follows that if nails are costing 50 cents, which is 0.5 of a rand, so I have 0.5 times the number of nails plus 1.25 times the number of screws. This should give me 252, which is the total price for both the nails and the screws. Sorry. So now with these equations that I formulated here, this is a set of simultaneous equations which we can solve they can be solved, simultaneous equations, remember, can be solved by substitution, can be solved by elimination, can be solved by Cramer's rule, but it's a lot easier for us here just to do substitution. So from equation number one, from equation one, if I am to make y subject of the formula there, y is given by 300 minus x, and let's call this equation number 3. Now, if I substitute equation 3 into equation 2, what am I going to have there? I'll have 0.5x plus 1.25, and then in place of y, I can put 300 minus x there. So I have 300 minus x, and this is equal to 252. So now if we simplify this, this becomes 0.5x plus 1.25 times 300, that should give me 375, minus 1.25 times that give me 1.25x, and this is equal to 252. So from here, I have 0.5 and I have minus 1.25x there. So these are like terms, I can bring them together. So if I brought them together here, I'm going to get minus 0.75x And if I take 375 to the right hand side, I'm going to end up with that would be minus 123 minus 123. So now from here, if I divide both sides, by minus 0.75, divide by minus 0.75. So this cancel out, and I'm left there with x. You divide minus 125 divided by minus 0.75. That should give me quickly 164. So x is equal to 164. So remember, what is x? We defined x to be the number of nails sold. And that's exactly what the question is asking us to do. Calculate the number of nails sold. So therefore, the number of nails sold, the number of nails sold is 164. And that's it. So we have managed to solve this problem by formulating equations and then solve them to get the required result. So yes. So now, if you're watching this channel now, I would encourage you to subscribe, like, and comment on the channel so we can be interacting and give you more information on things that you comment on.